Let's imagine this. Two friends earning the same salary. After 10 years, one is broke and the other is rich. Wonder why? Same money, different choices. We think income decides wealth. Wrong. It's how you treat that income. Friend A spends on cars, EMIs, and gadgets. Friend B buys stocks, lands, or a side business. Both are working equally hard, but one is collecting toys and the other is collecting money machines. Here is a secret: a liability takes money out of your pocket every month, an asset puts money into your pocket even while you sleep. Rich people don't buy assets because they love finance, they buy them because they love freedom. So the next time you get paid, ask yourself, am I buying something that feeds me or something that eats me? Wealth is not about how much you earn, it's about how many money soldiers you deploy. At the 13th Rupee, we are not just learning about money, we are growing it. Let's grow together.